with the win yesterday. I mean, a lot of all the players on the team will be more confident because we haven't won in a long time. I mean, it was a game that we know we had a chance to win, and now we have to, focus on the one coming up this Sunday. I mean, there are two different coaches, and they do things different. I mean, we change maybe about one or two things, and that's about it. I mean, we just did something that we don't normally do in the last game. We fought, and I think that's the reason why we won the game because we fought this game. In other games we didn't. Yeah, I mean, I've been out of basketball for 5 months, and I'm getting there. I'm almost 100%, but I'm trying to do whatever I can to help the team, whatever the coaches help ask of me, and I mean, we have a young team, and I just want to be of help. But I'm really close to being 100%. I mean, with me, the only thing that matters to me is winning. I mean, 20 points, 6 points, 5 points, whatever. We win the game, I'm fine. I mean, all the other stuff don't really matter to me.